This is Dog Challenge the second. This is a sticker that I'm going to put on my dog's head. Come here, Otis. Come here. There he is.
I'm scared of
Okay,
dogs.
Otis. Okay.
Don't touch
There he
me.
is. You love Otis. Okay. No, you stay. Stay.
Oh, no.
No, stick.
Hey, doggy, look at Kibble.
Okay, well, it's not.
Wait, no, stay. No.
Otis, what are you doing?
Did he eat your kibble?
No, good thing.
Okay,
Okay, get away, because okay, seriously, Otis? Seriously? Okay, seriously, Otis? Get away! This is really annoying, Otis. Okay, Otis, come here. Sit.
Otis.
Now, in the last
Otis,
episode, we were
sit.
trying to make him roll over. So, over here, Otis. Sit. Down.
Sit down.
Roll. Roll over.
Roll over. Do what I do.
I'm gonna push him.
Do what I do. Do what I do.
Hey! He almost just bit my handle.
Go in a circle.
Fine, you get one piece of kibble for participation. Now roll. Yes.
Roll
He
over,
got the
little
start.
child.
Wait, you want your belly scratch? I want to scratch your belly. I scratch your
Like, don't.
I'll scratch your belly. I scratch your
Do
belly.
some circles and do it
Roll.
around.
Stop.
Do some
Circle. I'm super close to.
Come here, little child.
Oh, yes, did it! Yes!
Yeah.
Well, he rolled over onto his back, but he didn't do the whole roll.
I'm
But
really scared.
it still counts. See you in the next video.
Wait,
Bye-bye.
I gotta feed him his kibble.
Okay, here you go, Bubs. Bye.
Bye, my name's Caitlin, and look up my Minecraft channel, and I don't have one, so yeah.